Yfke. And this is the next morning. It's only a bit thick. So I think I am lucky. It's not worse. So, thank you, Yvke. I thought I'm going to ride today, but I'm going to lunge. When I sit on a horse, I have to use two hands. And when I'm lunging, I can do it with one hand. So I can hold my phone with my right hand, but I think with riding you need pressure, and so I thought this is better. Let op. Raf. Goed zo. This is not good yet. He has to lower his head more. Ja, goed zo. Goed zo. Oh. Hallo? Oh. Hey. Oh. Eraf. Eraf. Rustig. Goed zo. Braaf. Oh, rustig. Net te hard. Not too fast. No. Oh. Braaf. Eraf. Eraf. Goed zo. Rustig. First his head down. Eraf. Goed zo, braaf. Kom. Oh, super. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Raf. Kom. Goed zo, braaf. Now he has to lower his head, yeah, and his nose has to go forward, but it's very hard for him. Yes, goed zo. Braaf. Kom. Braaf, goed zo. Braaf. Oh. And a lot of Friesian horses don't have a perfect neck like other horse breeds have, and they do relax their whole body when they are a bit too round in the neck. So a lot of you may think it's a kind of rolkuur or something, but hello? For Friesian horses it isn't. Goed zo. And when I have the strings looser, yes, he higher his head and he don't use the muscles like I want to. When I have the strings down, he does his head down and rolls his neck, but not in the right way. So that's why I always do it on the side. And like here, he has to get used to the pressure of the strings on his mouth. Goed zo. Eraf. So he has to get used to some pressure on his mouth. Yes, now he lowers his head, but now he has to bring his nose forward. Come. Goed zo. Braaf. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Galop. Goed zo, braaf. Oh, braaf. Goed zo. Braaf. Raf. Peach. Daisy. Hey. En Glendy. Yfke. That's Daisy. Glendy. There she goes again. Okay, there's a bit ice. There isn't ice anymore. And there's ice again. So, what did you do, Daisy? Oh, yuck. Yeah, I think Daisy did it. Okay. Pete's also? Well, Pete's not that wet. And Glendy? Hey, that side is okay. Yeah, that's also a bit wet. Oh, yuck. Did you like it? Hey? Dolly, Teije Rein en Reisje. Rijntje en Sally. En de fillies. Belle, Yfke, Boukje en Blomke. Okay, gray ponies. Daisy and Peach. Juke, what did you do? Oh, Peach, what are you doing? It's about 6 degrees now. And, well, 3 days ago we were ice skating, and now it feels like summer. Most of the snow is gone now, most of the weather is gone. And I thought, how can I show you my hand? This is my hand, and here it's not good, but here it's thick and there it's thick, and that's my other hand. Oh, they look old in the sun. But hey, I only feel it a bit, but I can use it. So it could have been worse. Look what I made. And there it goes. Oh no. Oops. Blomke and Boukje. And they did something. I thought, huh? The window is quite black. That the iron fell down. And it's over there. Okay, Bauke helped me. And now it's fixed again. No. Oh, Bella. Oh, oh. Goed zo, braaf je. Oeh. Now it's Yfke's turn. Hey. Zo. Oh, stappen. Braaf. Goed zo. Draf. Draf. Goed zo, braaf. Super. Goed zo. Okay. That was fast. Oh.